Why do 90% of Blender users get stuck with folders full of PNGs? Because they don't know the fastest way to turn them into video. Let's fix that right now. First option, keep it all in Blender. Go to the Video Editing workspace, then add Image Sequence. Select all your PNGs, make sure they're in order, then click Add Image Strip. Set your resolution and frame rate in Output Properties. Choose FFmpeg Video as your format. Pick MP4 and H.264 for best compatibility and crank up the quality. Finally, hit Render Animation. Boom, instant video file. Option 2. Import your PNGs into another editor like Resolve, Premiere Pro, or CapCut. Just make sure your files are numbered in sequence and all in one folder. In Resolve or Premiere, select the first image, check Image Sequence, and import. It becomes one video clip. On CapCut, drag them in, drop onto the timeline, adjust durations, and export. That's it. Your Blender animation is ready for pro-level editing. No more PNG clutter.